Hi everyone! Today I will show you a quick 2-minute trick to transform your outline data to a tabular format, which will help you in further manipulation of the data, like for example, sorting and filtering. So what we have here is a navigation taxonomy for a website, and you have level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4 of your navigation. You have home page, then you have level 2 clothing, shoes and accessory pages. Under clothing, you have tops, bottoms, coats and jackets, sleepwear, dresses. Under shoes, you have sneakers, boots, flats, sandals, heels. Uh, and under accessories, you have jewelry, scarves, hats, glass mittens, and sunglasses. Under each of these level 3, we have further pages, level 4, like t-shirts, sweaters, hoodies, sweatshirts, cardigans, shirts and blouses, and pants. All this is on the top. So why don't like this way of outline data? Because we are not able to sort or filter. For example, if I want to filter on shoes, what we will get, I'll get only the line where shoes is written in the table, and we have sneakers and casual. We are missing everything else from the table. So what we need to do here is we want to fill in all of these labels down. For example, all of these go down: home, clothing, and tops here, bottom. We can do this manually if we want, for example, like this, but it will take us a lot longer than the trick I'm going to show you. So I'll click Control Z to get back to our original data and show you quickly how this is done. The first thing we want to do is to select the data in our table and try not to go outside of the table. And next thing is we want to select only the cells that don't have any information in them. So we will go to Find and Select tool and Special, go to Special. Over here we have an option to select blanks, and that's exactly what we need. We'll click blank, OK, and now we have only the cells that don't have any information, any data in them, and we want to populate them with the data that is printed above them. So for example, in cell C3, I want to add the data from C2 and so on. So how we're going to do, we're going to create a formula, and we're going to type it in C3, and that will be equal to C2. If I press enter, what we're going to see is only C3 will get the information done, but the actual magic trick is to use Control and Enter. So I will press Control and Enter at the same time, and like that, voila, everything is populated and we have our table ready. Not so fast, we're not yet ready. We still have formulas in our blank cells. So what we need to do, we need to copy and paste the value in each of these cells to make sure that formulas are not moving up and down and we have firm data in each cell. So I copied and paste values over here. Now let's click on the site. Everything looks good. We have our tops, bottoms, clothing, shoes. We can again try filtering shoes and see we have all of the level 3s now and all of the level 4s. And if we want, we can sort them A to Z or Z to A, whatever way we want, and analyze further the data. So for example, I want to see the sandals. Over here, everything is there. All right, that's all I have for you today. If you've enjoyed this quick magic trick video, please give it a thumbs up and hope to see you again next time.